Introducing Cricut's Color Pop Iron-On. Now you can add a vivid two-tone border effect to your projects, perfect for t-shirts, sweatshirts, and more. On your computer or mobile device, open Cricut Design Space and customize a design for your blank. Once your design is ready, click Make and mirror your design. You will then be prompted to choose what material you are cutting. For this project, you will click Browse Materials and select Color Pop Iron-On as your material. Unlike most of our materials, Color Pop Iron-On's liner has a matte finish. So you will want to place the material, liner side down, on the top left corner of a Cricut machine mat. Now you will be prompted to load the mat into your Cricut machine. Once it is loaded, press Go, and your Cricut will begin cutting out your design. When the cut is complete, unload the mat and carefully remove your design. We recommend that you use a trimmer to trim off any parts of your materials that you will not be using, and save it for another project. Using a weeder, reveal your design by weeding the excess material, but leave your design on the liner. Now it's time to apply your design. Place your pressing mat down and lay the blank on top, ensuring your pressing area is centered on the mat. Check the Cricut Heat Guide or app for precise time and temperature settings. Before placing your design, preheat your blank for the recommended temperature and time. When placing the design on your blank, place it liner side up. Then apply the heat and pressure for the time recommended by the heat guide. After you finish applying heat and pressure, place the heat press back on its base and allow the design to cool. Once it is cooled to the touch, slowly peel away the liner. And there you have it. With Cricut Color Pop Iron-On, your projects will pop with a burst of color and durability. To keep your project vibrant, wait 24 hours before washing. If you need additional help, check out our Cricut Help Center website. Happy crafting!